Alright ka mo.
Guys, kaya tayo.
I know that neither of us would ever say that
Tulog na.
word to each other.
Pagkatapos, tulog na.
Yeah, you're one of the only people I can trust that would never say that word to me. I love you,
Ang
Mom.
dami
Have a
cake
good
ka po.
day. Morning, girl.
Boba.
May mo ng kanin?
The ring. Who got it
Ayaw
for
mo.
you? Jake. I'm not. Jinx. Why would you do that? I wasn't going to say the word. I wasn't sure. Class, what's the answer to number 3? 24. Sure.
Hey, Timmy, what am I doing?
Golden apple or potato? Bro, why would I ever pick the potato?
No Robux? Can't freely change skins? Come.
Oh my god!